Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. Practice English with us in a simple and friendly way.
Hi, friends. I'm David.
And I'm Emily. We are so happy you are here today.
If you want to improve your English step by step, please like, share, and subscribe.
Today's topic is very special. We will talk about studying English, how to stay motivated, and how to practice in real life.
This lesson is for A1 to B1 learners. We will speak slowly. We will use short sentences, and we will repeat important phrases.
Remember, you do not need perfect English. You need practice. Let's start with a simple question. Why are you studying English? Repeat. Why are you studying English?
Example answers. I study English for work. I study English for travel. I study English for school. I study English because I like it.
Let me answer. I study English because I want to communicate with people from different countries.
That's a great reason. My answer, I study English to improve my career opportunities.
Notice the structure. I study English because. I study English too. Both are correct.
Listeners, pause and say your reason out loud. Good job.
Now let's talk about your daily study routine. Important question. How often do you study English? Repeat. How often do you study English?
Example answers. I study every day. I study 3 times a week. I study on weekends. I study when I have time.
My routine is simple. I practice English for 20 minutes every morning.
That's great. Small practice every day helps. My routine, I listen to English podcasts at night.
Notice useful time expressions. Every day, every morning, at night, on weekends, sometimes.
Simple grammar works best. Subject plus verb plus time. I study every day. I practice at night.
Now let's talk about problems. Sometimes studying English feels difficult.
Yes. Many learners say, I don't have time. I feel tired. I am afraid to speak. I forget vocabulary.
These are normal problems. Let's practice solution language. Instead of saying, I don't have time, you can say, I will practice for 10 minutes.
Instead of, I am afraid to speak, you can say, I will try 1 sentence.
Progress is small steps. 1 sentence today, 2 sentences tomorrow.
Good job if you are still listening.
Now the important part, real practice. You do not need a big classroom. You can practice English while walking, while cooking, in your room, with your phone.
Example, when I cook, I say, I am cutting vegetables. I am cooking rice. This smells good.
Great example. I practice English when I walk. I am walking to the store. The weather is nice today. I feel relaxed.
This is called thinking in English. Start small. Describe your life in simple sentences. Now let's do a longer, natural conversation.
David, how long have you been studying English?
I have been studying English for 5 years.
Why did you start?
I started because I wanted a better job. How about you?
I started because I enjoy learning languages.
How do you practice speaking?
I speak to myself. I record my voice. Sometimes I talk with friends online.
That's great practice. I practice by listening and repeating.
Repeat is very important. Listen, pause, repeat.
Let's try together. I study English every day. Repeat. I practice speaking slowly. Repeat. I make mistakes, but I keep going. Repeat. Very good.
Learning English is not fast. It takes time.
But small practice every day works. 5 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow.
Do not compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday.
If yesterday you knew 10 words, today you know 11 words. That is success.
Mistakes are part of learning. If you speak, you improve. If you stay silent, you don't improve.
Be brave. Speak simple English. Simple is powerful. Let's review key phrases.
Why are you studying English?
I study English because
How often do you practice?
I practice every day.
I make mistakes, but I keep going.
Small practice every day helps me improve.
If you can say these sentences confidently, you are improving. Now it's your turn.
1. Why are you learning English?
2. How many minutes do you practice each day?
3. What is your biggest challenge?
Write your answers in the comments or say them out loud right now.
Thank you for studying English with us today.
Remember, progress is slow, but it is real.
You are doing better than you think.
Like, share, and subscribe for more easy English conversation practice.
We will see you next time.
Bye, everyone.